Starting your investing journey can feel overwhelming. So many platforms, so many choices.
But here's the good news. In 2025, there are beginner-friendly platforms designed to make investing simple, affordable, and even fun. Welcome to Grow My Saving. In this video, we'll look at the best investment platforms for beginners, what makes them easy to use, and how they can help you start building wealth with confidence. First, what makes a platform beginner-friendly? You'll want low or no minimum deposits, commission-free trades, fractional shares so you can invest with just a few dollars, educational resources, and a clean, easy-to-use app or website. These features lower the barrier and help you learn as you grow. Here are some of the best options right now. Charles Schwab, great for beginners. With fractional shares starting at just $5, zero commissions, and tons of free learning tools. Their Investor Starter Kit makes getting started easier. Fidelity, known for strong goal planning tools and fractional shares, starting at only $1. Their Learning Center has tutorials, videos, and planning calculators. SoFi, Invest, perfect for mobile users. You can start with as little as $1, enjoy commission-free trades, and even chat with financial planners for free advice. Robinhood, if you like simplicity, Robinhood is a solid pick. Quick setup, commission-free trades, and access to stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto. Betterment, for those who prefer automation, Betterment is a robo-advisor that builds and manages your portfolio for you based on your goals. Acorns. Great! If you want investing to be automatic, it rounds up your purchases and invests your spare change into diversified portfolios. M1 Finance combines automation with customization. You can create your own portfolio or let the platform manage it with no commissions and fractional shares. All these platforms make investing less intimidating. They're low-cost, beginner-focused, and packed with resources, so instead of worrying about where to start, you can just start. So whether you choose Charles Schwab, Fidelity, SoFi, or a robo-advisor like Betterment, these platforms make investing accessible to everyone in 25. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner investing tips. In the next video, we'll cover how to build a simple portfolio as a beginner, so you can put these platforms to work right away.